Welcome to installing Trimble field points. In this guide, we're going to go ahead and take you through the steps to installing Trimble field points on your local machine and reference the license manager either on the same machine or on a server. Some preliminary steps before we get started. We want to make sure that we close all Windows-based applications, including any email software that you may have running. You should also have the license manager installed before proceeding with this guide. If you don't, please see the Installing License Manager for Trimble Field Points video presentation. Once you have the License Manager, we're ready to begin the software installation. This installation will guide you through either the AutoCAD or the Revit version of Trimble Field Points. Same steps, just two different executable files. So in here, we're going to go ahead and select whichever option you want to, whether it be the AutoCAD or the Revit installation. So double click the corresponding executable file. In the welcome screen, you want to go ahead and select next. Here we have the read and accept the license agreement. So we have the license agreement option first. We select next. Then we read and accept the support agreement and hit continue. So we select next there. Once that has been completed, in the license server information, we want to go ahead and enter what the host name is. So therefore, who is hosting the license file or the license manager? Is it the local machine, which is the local host as you see there by default? Or is it a server in the office that is hosting the license manager? If you know the server name, you want to go ahead and put the server name here or the IP address of that server. You can go ahead and leave localhost if you're installing it on the same, if you're installing the software on the same machine as the server resides. Once that is ready and installed, you want to go ahead and hit next on there and hit install when ready. And once it goes through the process, then the software will be completed and installed. Once the software has been completed, you can go ahead and open your application, whether it be AutoCAD or Revit, and you should look for a Trimble Field Points tab on your software. That will also show you that the installation was successful. As an optional setting, you can go ahead and check your license file location by looking at this settings setup drop-down and clicking on the license manager. In the license manager dialog box, you will see an option for primary license server and the server name or IP address. If you selected to do a local host, you will see an IP address of 127.0.0.1 as shown on your screen. If you selected to put in a server name or an IP address, you will see that information here on this screen. This is a confirmation of where your software is looking for the license when it is used. So with that, this completes the installation for Trimble Field Points. Thank you.